So one day I saw this in my garden, and it's kind of white. Looks like snow, but it's not snow for sure. It's spreading out here and there. It's kind of foamy, squishy when it grows a little bit thicker. But right now it's just on top of my soil, and only at this plant, at this location, nowhere else except a little bit around it. I looked up online. I couldn't find any answers. So if you know what they are, please let me know. And they're kind of like fungus. I think that's what they are, but I've never seen anything like it. So I started to remove them and just dig them up and just remove them. And I'm going to use this fungicide spray from Home Depot and to kill it, to see if it works. Because last time I just removed it without spraying anything on it. It grew back in about a week and a half or so. It started to grow back, and it's only, like I said, it's only around this plant, nowhere else. So let's hope it works. And so I took the pictures of this fungus, and I took to my Home Depot, local Home Depot, and they recommend this chemical to spray on it. So I'm gonna try, and I'll give you guys an update a little bit in about a few weeks to see if it works. But yeah, like I said, I've never seen anything like it. If you know what they are, let me know. Thank you so much.